radically free, this leads us to paradox. That freedom is essential to man, that is, man cannot help but to be free. In other words, human person cannot really be faced, since they cannot free at all. Such there points out that freedom should be understood as condition the human person and not description of man's essential characteristics. The inability to be free, the phrase man cannot but to be free, emphasizes this inescapable nature of freedom. We are condemned to freedom. As the philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre famously put it, this means we are responsible for our choices, even if those choices are influenced by external factors. We can escape that responsibility because the very act of trying escape it, conformity or determinism, it itself a free choice. Freedom is expressed in our activity, in our undertaking, and most of all is profoundly manifested in making decisions. The condition of freedom means that every moment individuals are comported to an infinite range of possibilities, but then again, such radical freedom involves a burden of radical responsibility. It is not surprising at all to find individuals who refuse to decide on important matters because of the great responsibility that comes with it. But Sartre points out that even the act of not choosing is also a choice. Such radical notion of freedom is unbearable, and there is no way of escaping it. Radical freedom, the core idea, is the human being possess a fundamental and inescapable freedom. This isn't just the freedom to choose between options, but a freedom that defines our very existence. Radical because it goes to the root of what it means to be human. Example, malaya kang pumili ng gusto mong course, pero may financial problem kayo ng family mo. So, maaaring maka-impluwensya yun sa pagpili mo. Example, gusto mo maging doktor, pero dahil may kakulangan kayo ng pera, pipili ka ng mas abot kayang kurso. So, yung freedom mo ay nasa loob ng limitasyon ng iyong kalagayan, ng sitwasyon nyo. So, lahat yun may limitasyon. So, means, malaya tayong magdesisyon, pero iniisip pa rin natin kung ano ang magiging cause ng desisyon natin. Yun lang po. Thank you.